So here are all of the codes for Murder Mystery 2. As you can see, they just dropped an Easter update not so long ago, so there might be new codes. Let's go on ahead and check it out because I've listed everything in here. So there are quite a few codes, and these will either give you free skins, like really good skins, or just free money that you can use. Number one is Reptile, replacing the E's with 3 and the I with a number 1. School, replacing the O's with 0 and then replacing the C and H with a K. The third one is called The Next Level, replacing all of the E's with a 3. And then Neon, removing the E and then the O and then replacing it with 3 and then 0. HW 2017 will give you a knife. Combat 2, replacing the A with a 4. Prism, replacing the I with an 1. Alex will replace the E with the 3. Patrick, replacing the I with a 1. And 2015, all of these codes will either give you knives or valuable stuff that you can use in the game. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Those are all of the working codes that you can use. So go on ahead and try them out and see if they actually work and if they're worth it. Like, do you think the knives are good? Are the effects amazing? And do they actually help you win the game? So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.